Brilliant fail 23.
Lights are off.
Touch the Brilliant.
Lights are still off.
Slide up and down.
It's thinking about it.
All right. For some reason, the Brilliants don't work. Again. But now, pull the little tab out, reset the Brilliant, turn it off, turn it on.
Ta-da! Lights come on.
Okay, now will the Brilliants work?
Not yet.
It will. It's just slow. It's slow, I call it broken mode, because by the time it turns off, here, it'll turn off. Hang on. Let's try again. Probably shouldn't touch it because I'm probably turning it off and turning it on and turning it off, and it's probably sending all these signals just really slow. Just thinking about it. You'll do it. No, I guess it won't do it today. So it's kind of like the okay, I know this video is getting a little boring, but it will shut off. It just takes, in between 10 seconds and like 4 minutes before the Brilliants work. You decide if you want to buy a Brilliant. Oh, and when I told Brilliant that, hey, they don't work, and I asked, they said, oh, well, there's great warranty. No, we won't give you back your money.